There's music playing.
Hey guys,
It's
Bible Days, and we're at the mall again.
Where was it? The mall.
Every day we be at that mall. We be at the mall. Ooh, get it, Kaylee. Ooh, get it, Kaylee.
No, I'm just kidding. I don't dance for people.
Whoa, forever. We're in Forever 21. Hello.
What does it say?
Hello, my friends.
Good job. You passed the test.
Thanks. I got that B+ in French class.
Oh, wow.
Wait. Oh my gosh, yes. Dude, we're trying these on.
Is that a crop top?
It is a crop top.
Okay.
So we are going to be doing a little game in Forever 21 where you have to pick out an outfit for one another and it has to revolve around
This shirt?
this shirt says Jesus loves me. So yeah, we have 5 minutes and whoever comes up with the cutest outfit wins. Ready? Go. Yes or which one? So who won that? Okay, just put in the comments below, say who won.
I mean,
Because
if it's I want to go to work, but like I would pick that look.
yeah,
But I don't want
Right
to go
there.
to work. I want to go to
Kaylee, it's right there. Put the back. Oh my gosh. Okay,
Will you come out to eat with me?
where are we going?
McDonald's. That's all I can afford. I'm just kidding. I don't know.
When are we going?
Valentine's Day.
Hey, okay, I say yes.
You are the slope to my run. This is called running. I need to use this on my face.
Oh.
Chipotle.
Chipotle.
For the first time.
Okay, so this is my first time eating Chipotle. Thanks to Kaylee, she bought me Chipotle. Oh my god.
With my money I earned, which
Yes.
is now gone. And never say that.
Okay.
We should.
It's
but-
warm. Okay, ready? Oh gosh.
It's
First
good,
bite of
just eat
Chipotle,
it.
right?
Chipotle is life changing. It's so good. It's just my favorite.
It's just like addicting. Chipotle thoughts. It's great. It's nice. Wonderful. That hopefully Kaylee takes me for Valentine's Day. Yes. It was great. First time having Chipotle. Now I want more. Bye, Kaylee.
That's really.
That was it.